existed in the past, and that it was used. It could have had a benign purpose, but like everything else with the use of evil intentions, its true design was to bring about the downfall of previous civilizations, to keep human beings in a state of misery. Considering what we looked at with the previous civilization, which on this channel we call Tartaria, or the Fourth Era, how it went through three distinct phases: its inception and rise, its ascendancy and its height, and its decline and fall. And very likely we see the fact, and we theorize the fact, that this previous civilization was destroyed by infiltration of the society. And if you think about it, the use of a homunculus or homunculi in vast quantities could have been very threatening to a society. And I believe one of our best theories for how the previous civilization fell was through that infiltration. Now, could there have been a variance on how this truly happened? This initial physical battle that was won by the previous civilization, or Tartaria, and then the subsequent battle that was lost. It could have been that instead of a physical homunculus, perhaps there was some sort of spiritual homunculus, if you will, as you encounter many people who are very narrow-minded and don't seem to consider other possibilities. And it's as though they're simply following a program, a recursion loop. Almost as though human beings don't seem to be true human beings. They seem to be spiritually aloof, and they have no internal strength. And they're happy to castigate other human beings who actually try to search themselves and actually try to improve themselves, because they don't ever want to see a civilization that preceded ours again. They want to see something that's in total decline, and they want to see something that continues as a civilization that questions itself, that doubts itself, and we know full well that happened in the past. It must have, because we know the civilizations that preceded ours did fall.